You get three for a retrigger. Here we are. Thunder cash. I have a little bit of extra money from that hit. So I'm gonna try $20. 50 cents. Give me what? 8 spins. Come on, Thunder Cash. Be nice. Some dice for 10. Come on. Thunder Cash, Thunder Cash. Need 3 of these for the bonus, which is awesome. Otherwise, it is a blocker. Come on. Oh, got it. Oh my gosh. I don't ever get this bonus. I do not ever get this bonus. Ever. Seriously, don't ever get this bonus. I'm excited. It's only 50 cents denomination, but start the feature. Come on. You need wilds here, and they're sticky. The more you get, the better line hits you're gonna get. It's a good start. We got 6 more. Come on, we need them here. Here. And you get 3 for a retrigger. Good. 3 more spins there. Come on, right here. There we go. Guaranteed a line hit here every time. So we need premium symbols here. Come on, right here. Yes. Dice are good. Come on, right here. Oh. 5 more spins remaining. If we get one here, that'd be hella good. This could be an amazing bonus. Still need one here. 7 dice here. Got 2 more spins remaining. Still need one here. Now it is possible to get 3 Thunder Cash stacked, but otherwise it's just blocker. Last spin. Oh my gosh. That was an awesome bonus, you guys. Sorry, I took a picture real quick of that. Do some backup spins here with some dice. No. Some aces there. For $20 more. There was one there that did amazing. Last one. So I'm going to switch to $1. Still doing 5 lines. And just do a couple spins here. Oh, that was a blocker. Come on. These are $5 spins. There's 10 there, that would have been great. Not giving me anything now. Alright. I think I'm going to collect that and call it good.